We have 3 stocks to go over in this video, guys. We're going to break down the charts, key levels that I'm looking at, what I'm looking to do. But before we dive into it, do not forget to get your free money from Moomoo, up to 17 stocks, each up to $2,000. And by the way, they're the sponsor of today's video. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get a free share of C3AI stock right off the bat, which is actually exclusive to this channel. You can't get that through anybody else's link, and you get 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000. And if you want to deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, and fund your account with at least $5,000. You get another free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock, guaranteed, on top of all the stocks you already got. So if you guys want to take advantage of the best promo right now, use that link down below. It is free money, guys, and of course it helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So right now, what time is it? About 11:30 a.m. So we're 2 hours into the session, and overall the markets are, well, all over the place. We have the S&P 500 down. Actually, no, it's up a little bit, pretty much at break even, up 20 cents on SPY. We have the Russell down 0.9% as the Nasdaq's up 0.6%, and we have the Dow Jones down 0.1% as the VIX is up over 2%. We have gold down 1%, silver's down almost 2%. So yeah, guys, everything is moving all over the place. Let me actually see what oil is doing so far today. Oil's looks like it's down. Yeah, oil's down 4%, back under $70 a barrel. So literally, guys, everything's moving all over the place. And again, these 3 stocks we're going to talk about today, they're pretty beaten down, and I believe there could be a rally. Could be. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, but there could be a rally at some point in the short term. So the first stock I want to go over, guys, is an energy company. Let me pull it up here. It's ticker symbol NRG. Let me pull it up and show you guys. This is NRG Energy. This is up around 4.5% today, so the stock's doing pretty well today. But overall, over the past couple of months, clearly on the 4-hour time frame, it is very beaten down. The stock was at $45 back in the middle of November, and now we're at $35, so we are down still about 22%. So we're still in a bear market, and at one point we were down, let me see, we got to $30. At one point we were down 34, almost 35%. So now NRG Energy, which again is up over 4% on the day so far, up $1.45, it is now approaching the multi-month resistance that it struggled at over the past couple of months, right around, let me see here, 35 to $36. You guys can see that's been resistance pretty much all year. Yeah, all year, but really since the beginning of February, right, where we got hit early in February, we got rejected middle of February, end of February, early April, mid-May, also end of June, which is right now. We're testing it, right? Will this be another time we get rejected, or will we finally break out? So this is one that is setting up for a breakout. It's up on the day, but at the same time, it's still very beaten down. So I think if we do take out, let's say, $36 on NRG, which is where I'll put my alert right now, mark is that we're above $36, guys, that is where we could get the big breakout. And where could we be going from that point? Well, if I pull up the yearly chart, let me see some levels, guys. You can see here 35 was actually the low from back last year, back in the middle of July. So that actually makes it an even bigger resistance. So if we break above 35, let me see here. Initially, we could be going maybe $38. That was the low from the end of September or early October. If that were to break, maybe $40 in the short term, which $39-40, that was the low from the middle of October. So this is where this could be going if we break out, initially of that 36 level. And, it's where it could be going. It's not guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed in the stock market. But, guys, this chart looks pretty decent for a breakout, and we'll see what happens. So the next one I want to go over, which you guys probably know. You probably know of this company, right? Do you know AMD, Advanced Micro Devices? Well, this is another one that I'm looking at right now that's pretty beaten down. And a lot of the beatdown for AMD has come in the past couple of days, unlike NRG, which you guys saw again, the beatdown came a couple of months ago, and it's been consolidating over the past couple of months. Now it's looking to break out again. AMD, a lot of the beatdown has come in just the past couple of days, where the stock has lost $21 roughly of value. Right now it's down percentage-wise about 15-16%, so it's not quite yet in a bear market, but it's almost there. And now it's actually right above the 180 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, which you guys can see this has held over the past couple of months, has it not? Right, you can see clearly we've held this throughout the entire rally here on AMD. So let's see, simply guys, to keep it simple, let's see if we continue the rally off of this 180 moving average. Right, will we bounce off this point, 110, 112? Do we see a rally past 115 again, which is where my alert's at? From that point, maybe we do start making a move 130, 135, 120s again, right? So let's just see if we continue here on AMD. Let's see if the uptrend continues. That's kind of what I'm looking at. And pretty much, guys, the same thing here on the next stock, which is Intel, ticker symbol INTC. Just like AMD, guys, a lot of the beatdown here in Intel stock has come in just the past couple of days. No joke, literally the past 3 days, including today, guys. Today it's down 1.2%, and today just started. I mean, guys, we're only 2 hours in, so really a lot of the beatdown came in just the past 2 days. You can see here back on, what's today? Thursday. So yeah, back on Tuesday on the 20th of this month, we were at $37 in the morning. We went down to about $35 that day. Then yesterday we opened up at around $35, got down to around $32, $33, and now we're down to the mid 32s. In fact, earlier in the day, did we get under 31 or 231? Nope, not quite yet, but we got pretty dang close, guys. We hit $32.13. So at this point, guys, I think Intel's getting a little bit oversold. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but I'm looking to see if we get some sort of relief rally, bounce back play, similar to what I said with AMD. I'm looking to see if we get some sort of bounce at around 30 to 32 bucks, right around the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, right around the highs from the end of April heading into May into early June, which you guys can see during that time period we struggled at 32 bucks. Let's see if we get buyers to come in and if we get some sort of rally off of that point. And of course, guys, let me mention this. We're not yet seeing the confirmation of a bounce on Intel, on AMD, or a breakout on NRG, but we have to be patient and kind of give it a couple of days, which, that's kind of what I'm going to do. I'm not just going to just blindly dive into these stocks today. Maybe I do later in the day. I don't know. We'll see. But, I'm kind of just going to give it a little bit of time and see if we consolidate around, 30, 32 bucks on Intel, because again, this sell-off is super fresh. It just started 2 days ago. So, let's give it a little time, guys. Patience is key when it comes to the stock market. Same thing here with AMD. Let's be patient a little bit and see what it does at 110, 12, 13, 15, right around there. And on NRG, I'm being very patient and waiting to see if we fully get that breakout above 36, which we clearly need to do that for this to run up to 38, 39, 40, which is the next those are the next couple of targets, right? So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And guys, don't forget to get up to 17 free stocks for Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. I'm telling you guys, this is the best promo by far, and each of those stocks could be valued up to $2,000. Listen to this. Once you open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100, you get a free share of C3AI stock right off the bat, which right now I think is valued at $35-40. Yeah, today it's at $39, and that's exclusive to this channel, guys. My link only. You can't get that anywhere else, and you get 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000 with just a $100 deposit. And fund your account with at least $1,000, guys. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, and fund it with at least $5,000 on top of all the stocks you already got. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock, guaranteed, guys. And this promo is limited time. There's only a couple more days left, so take advantage. Link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all later.